Jelly Ball.
Oh, what's up, Jelly Ball? I didn't see you there. Good morning. It's tournament time. Look who just woke up.
I was awake 30 minutes before this.
Yeah, we got the tournament today, the Big Kings Classic.
I know the comp's gonna be pretty good, so we'll see how it goes.
It's finally here. We get to play it, and couldn't be more excited. So I'll be on the road in a second. We stocked up on goods. We got the Liquid IV, some Sour Patch Kids, some energy drinks, Gatorades, Powerades. Do you like Gatorade or Powerade?
I guess Gatorade's.
Okay, Jordan likes Gatorades, I like Powerades. I got my #1 most used tournament item, the Yerb. Unbelievable energy. Go get Yerbs. Unsponsored, but I love Yerbs that much. We'll see you on the road to the tournament. What are we drinking, Camille?
A Ghost Welch Grape Cran.
What are we drinking, Calico?
Pink slush Alani.
Pink slush.
What are you drinking, John?
That sounds...
Nothing right now, but I'll get a Yerb in hand pretty soon.
I can't see.
Yeah, how do you know where you're going?
With my eyes.
We are in the car. We are on the way to the tournament. My sister is with me.
I know my
Yay!
And again, looking forward to it. Not much else to say. Just the energy is high, the vibes are good. We brought 6 pairs of shorts, about 10 shirts, and a lot of Ghost and energy drinks today. We'll see you there. All right, we're at the Classic. We're at the Kings Classic.
King's Classic, shout out Elevate.
Yeah, it's actually a really nice gym. People are pulling up, everyone's staring at each other, trying to get the vibes of who's good, who's not, who's gonna get smacked, and you know, that's usual tournament day. So we're gonna warm up, we gotta play our first game to determine the seeding in like 20 minutes, so we'll see how that goes. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Elevate for hosting the tournament. I want that medal. This Lunks, and then sponsored by Raising Cane's. Yeah, shout out Canes for sponsoring us. We won the first game, and yeah, I think we're gonna be a high seed, and we'll see how we go from there. How long are we off for?
Like an hour and a half. Like an hour.
This is how we get rewarded for winning the first
How
game.
we get for balling.
What are the benefits of getting a higher seed though? Let's cut to the Raising Cane's advertisement.
Raising Cane.
We'll see you in the next game in a couple hours.
name is Armando Abarca, and I don't know what else to say.
What's up? I'm Andrew. You can call me Guac. I played for Vassar. We crushed our first set. Went phenomenally. Ball out. See how far we go.
Oh, yeah, that's fire. Let's go. Appreciate you, man. Feels good. We won in 2. Got some tough teams coming up, and yeah, loving the vibes. It's been a lot of fun. Obviously, I'm not the best hitter, but we're hanging in there and we're scoring. Regardless of how ugly it is, we score. So. What's up? It's Jonah from the future. As I was editing this video, I realized I wanted to talk about this situation because it's so strange and bizarre to me, and I'm curious to get your thoughts as well. It was 19-19 in the set, and what we were doing in this tournament was next point wins to 20. So whoever won the next point won that first set. So as you saw in the video, Andrew gets a kill, our team wins the first set, and we're celebrating. And then about a minute or two after, the refs are looking at something, and they end up overturning the call and giving the point to the other team because of a net on us. And the reason I think it's so strange is, for one, of course, the refs aren't professionals. They're, in fact, the other team's probably waiting to play. So everyone's kind of reffing each other. What's so strange to me is that they overturned a call. To summarize, it's one thing if the ref just gave the point to the other team and missed a call for us, which is fine. You know, it sucks, but that happens. But that's not what happened. They called the point correctly. Upon watching it back, the refs called it correctly, and then all of a sudden there was this new video or evidence introduced that showed that we did it all of a sudden. But I don't know what that evidence is. I want to see it. Maybe I'm looking at it from the wrong angle. Again, this is nothing against the refs or like the tournament itself. It's just a really strange situation because I've never seen that happen before where like we're being reffed by another team and then all of a sudden there's a video replay that gets brought into it. When I have video replay too and it shows we didn't do anything. We should be innocent. We're innocent. I swear. We are so innocent. I'm curious to get your thoughts on this. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Peace. All right, we are in the finals. Championship game.
Finals, baby. Everyone's basically playing for a place. So we're playing for either first or second. Other teams that didn't do so hot are playing for like fourth or fifth. So we only play one game and you're basically playing for a place.
It's not just a pool play for seeding. It's like a pool play to determine if you make it. It's almost like playoff games early.
We'll play hard.
Let's play hard and let's bring home the championship. We lost in 2 again. Close game, but honestly, it was a really fun match to finish off on. I've been missing the high-level volleyball runs for a while now, so it was good to just play at a high-intensity game for stakes. You know, like your adrenaline's kicking, it's going back and forth. People are yelling, screaming. It's fun. I'm glad we were able to make the finals while I was playing outside hitter. It feels good. So my voice is gone. It was a pleasure. Jordan, any last words?
They did good. They were a really good team.
Yeah, just to close everything off, of course we can make less mistakes, but they played a better game at the end of the day. That's what it comes down to. So I feel good, and I will see you again in the next video. Any last words?
Bye.
We'll see you later, Charlie Ball. Peace.